Hello, hello, hello. I'm going to have a lot of editing to do because I'm recording a lot of videos today. So if I'm wearing the same thing, that's why. And I'm in the same spot, that's why. So a few days ago, I got my ColorPlay, the Color Street subscription box. There's a little bit of issues this time. They had some trouble with shipping and everything. Usually they ship out on the 8th. Mine didn't ship out till like the 13th or the 14th or something like that. So I just got it a few days ago. Anyway, let's see what is inside. Open it up. I love subscription boxes. I love them. I guess because I don't know what's coming in them, so it's like Christmas every day. It's like a surprise. But you guys should have figured out by now that I love subscription boxes, since that is what a majority of my videos are of. And then once my husband becomes a lawyer and makes the big bucks, I'm gonna start subscribing to more things. His face, he's over at his desk studying right now. He was like the biggest eye roll ever. So this month is Hidden Treasure. And I'm glad. I don't know if people said something, but we are back to the full. Last month, we just had a little card that had the little QR code to scan. But I am someone that I am visual, so I'm like, just show me what I need at first. So let's go through the sets that we got. Okay, the first thing is nail gems. So bedazzle your manicure with these iridescent gemstone appliques. Oh, these are actually really cute. I'm not like a huge fan of putting things like that stick up on my nail, but these are actually really cute. It looks like those go with the gems one, which is the 3rd level, the more experienced people one. So you have those. Oh, so one of the things is after you put these on, if you put the Color Street nail strengthener on, it'll help them last just a little bit longer. Okay, now what else do we have? We have, I am a sucker for these. Okay, so this is Siren Secrets. You get 2 sheets of 6 finger strips. More brilliant than a pristine diamond, this pink reverse glitter dip is timeless piece on your nails. So like most of our glitter dips, like the tips will be glitter, so the center of the strip will have it, but this is reverse. So when you put it on, it'll be towards like your cuticle, like the base of your nail is where all that color will be. Oh, I love this color. Siren Secrets. I'm a sucker for pink. Like, if you didn't know already. What else? And then we have Ocean Abyss. 2 6-sheet strips, douse your nails and sea emeralds with this glamorous turquoise reverse glitter tip. So it's just like those pink ones, but this is turquoise. It's actually a very, like, it really much reminds me of like the ocean and the sea. What else do we have here? Okay, this is Treasure Island. And this is 2 sheets of 8 finger strips. Discover your hidden treasure with this rich, shivery, sheer pink shade. I actually do very much like this pink. It reminds me of Undercover over like maybe Himalayan salt, maybe. This definitely would be like my go-to for pink. This it's not doing it any justice. I'm just gonna say that right there. This recording is not doing it any justice. It is like my perfect favorite shade of pink. What else do we have here? Okay, this is She Sells Seashells. So you get 2 8-sheet finger strips. Top off your manicure with these breathtaking deep sea French manicure seashell strips. So they're like a French with little seashell things at the top. Let's see which one you use that for. That one Oh gosh. Okay. So that's like the base level one. So it actually has you put these and these together. So like these are the tips. And then it like looks like that with your French. It's actually really cool. So I wonder if these are semi see-through or if you put the other ones on first. That's where you got to go to the video to see which ones you put on first. And then the last ones are string of pearls. So 2 8-sheet finger strips. Adorn your nails with these pearlescent shades alone or as a French manicure base with She Sells Seashells. So that's like, it's like little sparkly iridescent. So then we have our little card that tells us what was in the box. We also have our prep pad and our nail file so we can do our nails. And the little goodie that's in the box this time, I might actually give this to my daughter. Well, her hair's not quite long enough yet, so maybe I'll wait a little bit. Is a pearl hair clip. Channel your inner sea goddess with this divine pearl hair clip. Do not apply hairspray directly on product. Alrighty then. It comes in this cute little bag. But yeah, this is a nice hair clip. I have really thick hair. You probably don't believe it. It's kind of short right now. And I usually don't have it down a lot. But I'll have to see if this can manage my hair, because sometimes you just need to pull it back. Maybe I'll hold on to this and use this when I go to, we have 2 weddings to go to in September. I have 2 sets of cousins who are getting, I have 2 cousins who are getting married. Sets because they're getting married, they have a significant other. Anyway, they're like 2 weekends in a row. Like, we are going to be party animals. Like, seriously. And one of them's at the zoo, so I'm so excited. So yeah, that's everything in the box. Now, I want to like lay this out there for you. Okay, so this box is $30 including shipping, right? I need to spit on my coffee. $30 including shipping. That's what I pay every month for this box. So our prices just went up. That solids and glitters are $13 each, and Frenches are still at $14. I pay $5 shipping for the box, so it's $30 total including shipping, but really the box is $25 and it's $5 shipping, but it's just an even 30. So for me to get 2 sets of glitters, which this comes with 2 sets. I wonder if it has the, oh, okay. Because sometimes you can tell by the way that they code them. So these are like glittery. Any event, they would be at least $13. So these 2 sets, the box is $25 plus $5 shipping. You get 2 full sets of these nails. And these nails together, if I would buy them separately, if I could, would be $26. Okay? $25 for the box, $5 shipping. These 2 would be $26 together. So $1 more than the box. Plus, I also get that I can make a French. And I've got these that are a little bit more than an accent pack, because accent packs are usually like 4 and these are 6, but you get 2 strips of these. Plus these. Plus a little fun thing for $30. Like, I honestly don't know how Color Street does this, because like, this bought individually is more than what I pay for this box. And you get all of this these extra sets plus something fun for $25 plus $5 shipping. I don't know how they do it, but it is a really, 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 really good deal. Like, super good. That's why I keep getting it. Even if I'm not like I didn't think I was gonna like last month's box, which was like digital retro like data stuff. But like once I put it on, I was like I got so many compliments about them. People were like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So I don't know what next month says. I don't know if they've told us, if they've given us an idea. I have to go in and look. But that's this month's ColorPlay Hidden Treasure. All about the beach and the sea and mermaids and all of that. $30, including shipping. Lots of goodies. Yeah,